Hi, I'm Kate, and welcome to Let's Talk Longevity. You might think that living past 100 is just for sci-fi movies or maybe for some great grandma with unbeatable genes. But today, people are seriously asking, what if living to 120 or even 150 is actually possible? And here's the wild part. Some of the richest people in tech are betting millions on that idea. Sam Altman, the guy behind ChatGPT, invested $180 million in a company trying to add 10 healthy years to your or his life. Jeff Bezos, he backed a lab focused on reversing aging at the cellular level. Google created an entire company to treat aging like it's a disease, like it's a flu. Of course, I'm exaggerating. But this is not just about billionaires chasing immortality. The bigger story is this. What if aging itself is not inevitable? What if we can actually slow it down? Or maybe stop it? Okay, let's back up for a second. In 1900, the average person lived to about 47. Today, in the United States, it's over 79. We've already doubled our life expectancy in a century. Thanks to modern medicine, clean water, the research, we've come a long way. Now, the focus is shifting again from lifespan to healthspan. It's not just about living longer, it's about staying healthier for longer. And that shift, it's opening a new frontier. So here's what's going on inside our bodies. As we age, some cells stop functioning properly, but they don't die. They are called senescent cells, kind of like zombie cells that hurt the healthy one nearby. Our telomeres, little caps at the end of the DNA, they get shorter over time, just like the tips of worn shoelace. And we now have epigenetic clocks, ways to measure how fast your body is actually aging, regardless of how many birthdays you'd had. To fight this, scientists are testing lots of different things. Gene editing, stem cell therapies, NAD supplements, and senolytics, which help your body to get rid of those zombie cells. One Israeli study even found that hyperbaric oxygen therapy increased telomere length by 20%. That's like rolling back your cellular clock. But of course, this is still new and not without debate. Some people say it's unnatural, others worry it only be available for the rich, but no matter how people feel, the longevity moment is gaining momentum. And we're here to talk about it. And that's where this channel comes in. We're gonna explore all of it, the tools, the science, the hype, and the honest truth. I'll test the methods, talk to experts, break down the research, and ask the real question. Is it all hype, or could it actually work? I know it's a big task, but we'll go there step by step. In the next video, I'm trying out cryotherapy, stepping into a chamber at minus 200 Fahrenheit. They say it makes you live longer. Then we're checking out hyperbaric oxygen therapy, where people literally pay to breathe in the pressured pod. You remember I told you that oxygen therapy increased the telomere length, so we'll see. And that's just the start. I'm also diving into NAD plus therapy, including my personal experience with this longevity shot. We'll take a look at the spermidine supplements that's quietly trending in longevity circles. And yes, I'll give you my honest review of the tools like the Oura Ring, which I'm wearing right now, and whether it's worth it for tracking your lifespan. Each video will explore a new approach, break down the science behind it, and ask the same question. Does it actually help, or is it just hype and smart marketing? So if you're into longevity, biohacking, or just staying healthy for a long run, hit the subscribe button and let's talk about longevity.